Damien, are you fixing the chairs? Is that good? Damien, where are you going, Damien? Beep, beep, beep. Close the door, that's a good boy. Go get the dishes, Damien, put them away. There you go. What do you got there, Damien? Dishes? Damien, have you got dishes? Oh, isn't that fun? What are you going to do with those dishes, Damien, huh? Gonna give him to Snoopy. Bye. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Who's that?
Did you hear somebody special?
Who's that?
What's Grandpa got for you there? Show him what you got.
Who's that?
What you got there?
Sid?
Who's that? Oh, look, it's Sid. Sid's here. Oh, go get Sid. Where's Sid, the science kid?
Get out there.
Where's Sid, the science kid? Hi, Sid. Hi, Sid. Is that Sid, the science kid?
Look at Sid.
Look at Sid. Oh my goodness, look at Sid. And Princess wants to see Sid too. Who's that? Is that Sid? Oh, look at Sid, the science kid. Oh, look. Go get him.
Go get him.
Okay. Where's Sid? Oh, look.
He's trying. Come here. Come here. Look.
Where's Sid?
Look at Sid. The science
There.
kid. What?
Where's Sid? Oh, he's going to go and play with that toy today instead. Oh, look. Oh, look. Who is that?
Sid.
That's Sid, the science kid. Yes.
Push his stomach. Here, push.
Tickle, tickle.
No.
Tickle Elmo. Just like Tickle
Dude,
Elmo.
you can't believe it.